And we're aware of the current market value. It's a lot more affordable than you would think to have custom pieces done right here in Wisconsin. We can mass produce and meet your expectations for batch production just as affordably as things coming from the other side of the world. Let's take a look at what's happening right here in Wisconsin. I start by wedging soft clay. It is carefully kneaded for a prolonged period of time to make sure that the texture is even, so there will be no cracking or irregular shaping of the pieces. All air bubbles must also be out. I start with hand sculpting objects that reflect local landmarks or historical sites. It does take quite a bit of time. By the time I'm getting down to the details and writing the name of your local historical society or landmark, I'm sculpting with toothpicks and needles. It takes some time, but in a few days I have a mock-up that's ready to share and discuss with your team. We make adjustments. We make sure that's exactly what you are expecting before I'm able to cure and fire the original piece.
So, here we go.
The sculpting process is based on your interests. What piece, what object, what architecture you're interested in the ornament commemorating. It takes time. It is a laborious process, but as an artist, that is where I find joy. I love turning a soft piece of clay into a very recognizable shape. That piece is then molded with a specialty rubber mold that can be reused over and over to press terracotta into that mold, again allowing for some cure time before they are hand sculpted and hand refined to make sure that it meets all of your expectations. More curing time before they are fired.
It might be incredibly hot. I just turned it off last night at 11 o'clock. It is toasty. Ooh. Oh yeah. Sorry. Here's some spoons. Put my little friend on it.
You will now have a fully vitrified ornament that rings and clinks just like anything that would come from the store. Each piece is individually hand painted with oil paints or dyes, is sealed with beeswax or polyurethane of your choosing for durability. Again, because each piece is individually made, they are made to your specifications, to your order. But there's nothing stopping those large batches for your fundraisers. It is a matter of placing your order in enough time for these handcrafted heirloom objects to be made. I can do a number of different variants within the same batch. So if you need 50 ornaments, they can be in groups of 10 each of different colorations. Some families may want some variances when they go to order and help with your fundraiser. Some people might just have certain preferences for their home. And it's very easy as an artist to meet your needs, and I like the variety of changing it up. This isn't machine made, this is handmade. That's what makes it so spectacular. It is such a pleasure and a joy to share this art right here in Wisconsin. Go art.